Well, kids, we are still talking about the Earth system, but now we'll add another detail to how we are affecting climate and the Earth system. Of course, we are doing deforestation, urbanization, and many other things that affect the climate system as well as the other species. Many species are going extinct because of the habitat destructions, biodiversity loss, pesticide use, etc. Right? But the main thing we are starting with, of course, is the industrial revolution and the use of fossil fuels that has increased over time, and our entire life cycle, life system, our energy especially, are all carbon intensive, carbon dependent, and so on. So what we do when we increase greenhouse gases is called forcing. What does that mean? Basically that means energy is coming from the sun and thermal energy is going out, but we are changing that balance by increasing the thickness of the blanket, the greenhouse gases, and that's what is causing the warming by trapping more energy. Right? There are other natural forcings, of course. Sun's orbit, Earth's orbit around the sun changes the obliquity, the ellipticity, and the precession. Plus, you have volcanoes which erupt and put all the stuff from under the Earth into the atmosphere and change radiation balance as well. And we are digging out fossil fuels which are very deep under, safely far away from the atmosphere and the energy balance, and we are putting them into the atmosphere after burning them and converting them into greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, of course, and methane, N2O, etc. Right? So this is called a forcing. So we have become a force to reckon with. Instead of being in the system and dealing with the system as it is set up for us, we have now become part of modifying the system. And this is where most of the problems come from. And we are, of course, now trying to say, let's slow down and let's reduce our impact by, decarbonizing the system, reducing dependence on carbon-based energy and everything else, right? So this concept of a forcing and how we have become forcing is very, very important. Okay.